How to fix Messenger if it is not sending messages. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Messenger if it is not sending messages. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to wait patiently, and after a while the message might be sent. But if it's not sending after a long wait, then check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi is not working properly, tap on mobile data and then switch to the mobile data. The next step that you need to follow is simply open settings on your device. Scroll down. Now tap apps. Tap app management. Scroll down and locate Messenger application on your device. Open it. On this app info section, tap storage uses and tap clear cache. The other step that you need to follow is to update your Messenger app to the latest version. To do so, launch Play Store or App Store and then tap the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on search bar. Type in Messenger, and if you see any update button, tap on update and then update it to the latest version. Lastly, following all the steps, if your issue has not been yet resolved, you have to reinstall the app. Tap and hold Messenger app and the eye icon, or simply you can get access through the settings. Now tap on uninstall and then tap on OK button. After that, you can reinstall from Play Store or App Store. That is how we fix Messenger if it is not sending messages. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.